Blogs. A blog assignment is an individual activity where students can create and submit assignments which will be visible to their teacher and classmates. To add a post or an entry to the blog, I'll scroll down and find a blog link. I'll choose the Geography blog. On this page, I'm going to read the instructions. Have you traveled anywhere in Canada? Write a paragraph about your experience and post it on your personal blog. The next step is to locate the blog menu block. I'll scroll down through the blocks on the right until I find the blog menu block. Next, I'll click on Add an entry about this course. I'll type an entry title, and then I'll type or paste in my thoughts into the blog entry body area. Then I'll scroll down and use this drop-down menu to choose Publish to either your self-draft or to anyone on this site. Finally, I'll click on the Save Changes button. Your blog entry appears.